Are you tired of the daily grind, wanting to break free from the traditional 9 to 5? Well, today is your lucky day. Discover the thrilling world of online entrepreneurship and unleash your income potential with Shopify. Shopify is a game changer in the e-commerce world, offering a full suite of tools to help you build and grow your own online store. It's never been easier to start your own business and make money online. With Shopify, you can easily create a professional and stunning website that reflects your brand and attracts customers. No coding or design skills required. Choose from hundreds of beautiful templates to make your online store stand out from the crowd. But it doesn't stop there. Shopify provides seamless payment options and secure checkout, so you can rest assured that your customers' information is safe. Plus, it integrates effortlessly with countless apps and plugins, empowering you to enhance your store's functionality and boost sales. One of the best things about Shopify is that it offers a seamless dropshipping experience. What's dropshipping? It's a business model where you don't have to worry about stocking inventory or shipping products. Shopify takes care of it all. Simply choose reliable suppliers, add their products to your store, and watch the profits roll in. Imagine the freedom of running your own business from anywhere in the world, with the potential to make money while you sleep. With Shopify, the sky's the limit. So why wait? Take the leap into online entrepreneurship and master Shopify for online wealth. Start making money today and live life on your own terms. Your dream lifestyle awaits. Be sure to check out my earlier video where I delve into the specific factors you should keep in mind when managing your Shopify business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on online business and entrepreneurship. Unleash your income potential with Shopify and start living the life you've always dreamed of.